Okay, so now what we've got is we've made our changes to our video, and we're going to try and save the project. You can see we have a name of Wafar Video 3. Hit save. Doesn't do anything, doesn't tell me whether it's working or not working, so we just don't know. Then a bit later on, after some time, it might ask me, do I want to overwrite this file as a new save, in which case I always say yes, but anyway. But you can't tell what's happening. So we get out of that, and we just go to Done and Proceed. Now, I previously had saved a sound file with this, so obviously the sound file is also gone. I don't know why that is. But anyway, let's put it back on again. So we pick a sound file, put it on. There we go. So now it says the deadline sound file is going up. That's fine. We choose an image. Let's say we choose this one. We go to preview. Now, what you'll see here is that it doesn't preview properly. Something went wrong, check my internet connection, but obviously my internet connection is fine. So that has been a common thing, so now we just lose it. So that's what we need to work out why the problem is.